Hello, and thank you for joining us in Camelot. I'm not Arthur, but this is Merlin. So, today's video is going to be a day in the life of Merlin.
About to go wake up the baby birdie. Hello, good morning. Oh, look at you here. Hi, sweetheart. Good morning, baby boy. Hi, got some kisses? Oh, you don't like the camera in your face. I'm sorry. Got some tickles? Morning tickles, huh? Tickles? Oh, you're really not happy about this, about the camera, huh? Aw. Thank you for the kisses. Thank you for the morning kisses. Yeah. You want some tickles, baby boy? Oh, morning tickles. Yeah, tickles. Tickles. Yeah. Look at those tickles. You're a good boy, aren't you? Yeah, hi. Oh, thank you for the kiss, sweet baby. Good morning. Good morning, baby birdie. Good morning. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Oh, thank you for the big kisses. Yeah. I love you. Good morning. You being sneaky, huh? Oh, there you are. Breakfast today is sweet peas and a Brussels sprout and some carrots and a bit of a mini red pepper, sweet pepper. Sweet pea for the sweet pea. Sweet pea for the sweet pea. Yeah, are you checking it out, huh? So part of the daily routine of Merlin is that he will not eat his breakfast sweet peas, which is his favorite thing in the world, unless we are sitting at the table with him. So right now you can see that he's at his area where the water and his veggies are, and he is eating with us because he's a social little guy. And he'll take turns and he'll play with his bell and his toys, and then he'll go and get some more snacks, and then he'll get some pellets, and then he'll just go back and forth, but he'll only eat them if we're sitting with him. Because we had tacos last night, so there was some lettuce. Yeah, you like the lettuce, don't you? Enjoy. Hey, little buddy. Are you ready to go to work? Yeah? You want to go to work with Daddy? Hi, let's go to work. Yeah. You like to go to work, don't you? Yeah, you do. Yep. Every morning we go to work. Going to work is fun. All right. You go to your office space. Yeah, that's your work table, isn't it? Yep. You got your water and some sunflower seeds because you love those. Merlin loves blueberries, and he gets them all over his face, and sometimes it makes his beak all red, and we call him a murder bird. Yeah, murder bird. Yeah, you love those blueberries, huh? Blueberries for the baby boy. Yeah. Yummy. Which is a thing he likes to say when he eats certain things.
So this is what happens when I try to get Merlin out. Hey, Merlin, want to come out and visit? Come here, want to step up? Want to come out and visit? Want to step up? Ow! No bites. Step up. Hey, come here. Come here, you silly guy. And eventually he normally will go in the corner. Want to step up? No bites. Come on. Want to come out and visit? He'll go in the corner and he'll hang upside down. This is our, the usual routine if anyone other than Yuri tries to get him out. Yeah, you're being a goof.
I'd be the fire for you. Try to be the sun. Try to make the home and the place that you go to. Hey, took the whole world, Dad. Put it in your hands. How but I I don't understand how to be the one that you love. How to be the one that you love. Oh, how to be the one that you love. Where are you going? You can't do a fist bump like that. Oh, here. The one that you love. Bum, bum, bum. Can I have a kiss? Hey, can I have a kiss? Thank you for the kisses. I do. Yeah, sure. Ready? Where are you going? Where are you going? Do a fist bump? Yeah. Boop. Yay! Good fist bump! Yay!
Oh, you want a Cheerio?
I don't have any. I don't have any Cheerios. Good night, baby boy. Good night.
I love you.
I love you. Good night. Good night. I love you. Good night. Good night. I love you. Are you waiting for Mama? Are you waiting for Mama to tell her good night? Yeah. There she is.
Good night. Good night, baby. I love you. Have a kiss? Hey, Merlin. Come here. Baby bird. Good night. I love you. Good night. I love you. Oh, thank you for the kisses. That was very cute. Good night, baby bird. I love you. Good night.
Good night, sweetie.
Well, there you go. That is a day in the life of this cute little guy, Merlin. I hope you really enjoyed it, and make sure to like and subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions, or if you have any ideas or requests for sing-alongs. Have a great day, everyone.